Hello YouTube, Timothy Unkert here, coding in the dark with the Dracula theme and working on a file of supernatural quotes. What I want to do with this file is print out only the quotes, and I'm going to use Python to do that. So if you notice about the file that the first quote is on the first line, then we have who it's from, Sam Winchester. The second quote is on the next line, the third line. Then we have who it's from, Dean Winchester. The third quote is on the fifth line. We have who it's from, Castiel. And then the fourth quote is on the seventh line. We have who it's from, Castiel. So it turns out it's really easy to sort through this file and only print out the quotes. Let's get to it. So I'm going to open Dear Ed, and I've already created an empty Python file called sortingquotes.py. And I'm going to go into that file, and I'm going to say with open, in quotes, supernatural quotes.txt. So that's the name of the file with the quotes in it. We'll say as file. I'm going to say a line in the file, and this will be the first line, equals file.readline, the readline method. So that's going to give me the first file in the, or the first line in the file, which is going to be the first quote. Okay. I'm also going to start an index here, and I'm going to set that equal to 2. And I'm going to say, I'm going to create a while loop. I'm going to say while line. So while there is a line in the file, if I, oops, get that modulo symbol. If I modulo 2, if that equals 0, then I'm going to print whatever the line is. So if we start this out, this line variable is going to pick the first line of code. Okay. I is going to be set equal to 2. So 2 modulo 2 will equal 0 because 2 divided by 2 has a remainder of 0. So we're going to print this first line. Okay. Now, after I do that, I'm going to increment I by 1. So the I plus equals 1 will increase I to 3 this first time through the loop. Then I'm going to reset the line variable, reassign it to the next line in the list. And the way I do that is file.readline. Okay, so now it's going to be the next line, which is just dash Sam Winchester. I don't want that to be printed, but now we incremented I to 3. So when we go back up here through the loop, we'll have 3 modulo 2, which will be equal to 1 because 3 divided by 2 has a remainder of 1. So we will not print the line. We'll just go down here and we'll increment I again. I will become 4. Then we'll reassign the line variable to the next line, which is the next quote. We'll go back up here. We'll have 4 modulo 2, which will be 0 because 4 divided by 2 has a remainder of 0. We'll print the line. We'll go down here. We'll increment I by 1. So we'll go up to 5. And then we'll reassign the line variable to the next line in the list, which is dash Dean Winchester. Okay, but I equals 5, so we have 5 modulo 2. The remainder of that is equal to 3 because, is equal to 1 because 5 divided by 2 has a remainder of 1. So we won't print this line. We'll keep going back here, and we'll cycle through all the lines, only printing the quotes. So to prove that to you, actually first let me make sure this is saved. And let's go to eShell. And let's run Python 3 sortingquotes.py, and you'll see that only the quotes were printed. Okay, just like I wanted to do. So that's a way we can sort through lines in Python. I hope this gave you some good idea for some programs. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really helps the channel grow, and hitting that like button does help the algorithm, which encourages me to create more videos on this topic. Also in my description, I'll leave my social links so you can check me out on the different platforms. And I thank you for watching, and have a great day.